What's going on, everybody? Chase on Two Wheels here, and today our buddy John brought us his 2016 R1. And John is the guy that owns Infinite Wraps, that company that does motorcycle wraps. Legit dude. I'll put his info down below in the description, but he's got a Yoshi exhaust on it now, and he brought it to us so we can put an SC Project exhaust on it. We're going to do a BTV, a Brian technical video on installing the SC Project exhaust. I'll put a link for that if you guys want to watch it, because you guys know we got the shop now and we're doing Brian build videos basically. So you guys want work done, hey, you can bring it to us in Woodstock, Georgia. Yay. But yeah, Brian's going to be doing the install video. If you guys want to go watch that, power to you. In today's video, in this one, I want to know what the difference in a Yoshi exhaust sounds like in the SC Project. So, he's got the Yoshi on. I'm going to take it for a little spin around the shop, and then I'll let Brian do his Brian thing to it, and then we'll do the same thing with an SC Project. So, let's see what it sounds like. I have let it warm up, so don't worry. I'm not just, doing crazy things. That honestly doesn't sound bad. I don't know what it sounds like to you guys, but right here to my ears, that don't sound bad at all. Oh man, it's been a minute since I rode an R1, man. By the way, I'm keeping this shit in B mode for both tests. So both tests will be the exact same. Dude, Yoshi pipe don't sound bad. I gotta say, sitting here going in third, the Yoshi's not that loud. It's actually a good noise. A little poppage, but like chilling right here sounds good. That being said, I do want to specify, I'm not a huge fan of just dumb loud. I like a good loud, and I don't even think this is a loud. I think this is it is what it is, It's just like a good tone. Oh, also guys, so y'all know we had that giant hack of the channel in late 2020. If you guys could do us a favor, please like this video. We're trying to get the algorithm back with the channel. YouTube has totally screwed the channel as far as the algorithm goes. So if you guys could make sure to watch and like all the videos we're putting out recently, it would be a huge help. Help us get back in that algorithm. YouTube's always doing crazy algorithm things, and man, after that hack, they have ruined us. So if you guys could do that, we would love you for a long time. And thank you. Thank you if you do. Man, that crossplane, dude. God almighty. Honestly, dude, I'd be okay with a Yoshi on here. I don't think I would need another exhaust, and it looks good too. I'm excited to see the difference with the SC Project though. I just realized John has no mirrors on here. John, what are you doing? This isn't safe, I don't think. To be fair, my WR doesn't have any mirrors on it either, so I can't really talk shit. Oh, this got wheelie control, right? Because I'm definitely gonna need that. Uh-oh. No cars in front, my guy. Oh, I'm about to gun it. This is our opportunity, folks. Please don't let any of these cars turn. Come on, come on, come on. Give us the freedom. Give us the freedom we need. We need to hear it. The people want it. The people are getting it. All right. Hi, John. Sorry. Woo! Dude, that's a good sound. That's not a bad sound at all. I would be totally content if my bike sounded like that. Dude, we have such a good test road around the shop. What luck. realize how much I'm talking about the shop, and if you guys didn't know that we just moved into a shop, then this video is probably like, wait, what the hell? They have a shop now? That would be hilarious, actually. All right, so guys, that's what the Yoshi sounds like. So I'm going to take the bike back to the shop, let Brian do his thing, install this SC Project exhaust on it, and we will be right back. Well, Brian, you did a good job installing it. You guys need to go check out Brian's BTV video of the install. I don't know if you guys are ready to hear this bike right now. Truly, I truly don't. We are the next day now. Brian just got done filming his video. I'm about to go take this thing for its maiden voyage, and we cranked it up inside the shop. And I don't know if I mentioned this when the Yoshi was on, but I was a little worried that this was going to be a bad loud. I think I even mentioned that. Bad loud versus good loud. And guys, I thought the Yoshi sounded good. I take back everything I said. You guys, oh my gosh. Again, 2016 Yamaha R1 SC Project exhaust. DB killer has been removed. We'll do a stationary audio so you guys can hear it, and then we'll go take it for a little rip. Here we go. And for racing use only. So I'm gonna go race real quick and I'll be right back. Also, guys, look how good this thing looks. I think this matches this bike so well. Obviously, John owns the Infinite Wrap company, so he can literally make this thing look like whatever he wants. But this gray with that carbon, woo! Motivation did him good. Woohoo! Wow, what a freaking difference. Oh my goodness. And I haven't even given it any gas. So here's what we're gonna have to do, guys. You guys are gonna have to let me know in the comments if this sounds as good as it does here in person. Still popping, all right. At the end of the video, what we'll do is we'll do a back and forth of each exhaust so we can really tell. But for right now, this is sounding so good. I gotta give you guys a quick go at it right here. I can't just kind of not give you guys some throttle, because we got to do some good throttling with the other R1. All right, let's give it a little bit of goose. That is such a more mature exhaust than the Yoshi. Oh my gosh, what a tasteful sound. I'm here for it. SC Project, nice job on an exhaust, team. You guys made a beautiful exhaust, and it sounds so good. Alright guys, so that is the SC Project exhaust on a 2016 Yamaha R1. That is a glorious exhaust. So let's play the back and forth shots real quick so you guys can know what they sound like in comparison. Granted, I tried to do the most accurate ride for ride, but I think the Yoshi ride, I got to give it a little more gas than I did with the SC Project. So there you go, guys. Let us know in the comments down below. Would you pick the SC Project or the Yoshi for your bike based on this video? If you're asking me, I'm going with the SC Project. That thing sounds better in person, looks better in person, all around so much better. Hopefully John over at Infinite Wraps enjoys his new R1. Thank you, Nate from Motivation USA. Have links for your stuff down below. Thank you guys for sending over the exhaust. And that's a video, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chaseontwowheels. Make sure to hit the like button before you get done watching it and subscribe for more motorcycle content. We'll see you guys on the next one, where Chase might just get an SC Project from Motivation. Subscribe for that one. Later, guys. Outro crew. Why is it that on the run where you want it to sound the best, you get the most traffic? Tell me why it always happens like that. So frustrating, right? Whatever. We had a good time and everything's good.